Located in southern Europe, this boot-shaped country is one of the world's most popular travel destinations for a number of reasons that include art treasures, charming towns, passionate people and top-class cuisine. It's a place where you can see some of the most iconic sights in the world. Few places rank as high on travelers' bucket lists as Italy. Whatever your taste in travel, you'll satisfy it in this country that is at once exotic and familiar. History, art, food, music, architecture, culture, sacred sites, charming villages, and stunning scenery are all around. Here is the look at the best places to visit in Italy. Number 10. Naples, one of the busiest metropolitan cities in the country. Naples is the capital of the Campania region in southern Italy, as it is nearby famous sites like the Bay of Naples and Pompeii. Naples presents an ideal base to stay while exploring the area. Top attractions in Naples include the Grand Piazza del Plebiscito, the Royal Palace of the Capodimonte Museum and the National Archaeological Museum, which showcases a marvelous collection of artistic works and artifacts excavated from the ruins of Pompeii. Number 9. Verona. Verona is a city in northern Italy's Veneto region, with a medieval old town built between the meandering Adige River. It's famous for being the setting of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. A 14th-century residence with a tiny balcony overlooking a courtyard is said to be Juliet's house. The compact historic center of this former Roman stronghold is embraced by a deep curve in the Adige River. Dominating its heart is the remarkable well-preserved 1st-century Roman arena, scene of the world-renowned summer opera festival. Several Roman arches are mixed among the medieval and Renaissance buildings, many of which show Verona's long history as part of the Venetian Empire. Number 8. Milan. Milan is one of Italy's most fashionable cities, home to some of the country's major fashion brands. One of the best spots in the city center to find them in one spot happens to be the world's oldest shopping mall. Milan dazzles the senses with its stunning architecture, high-end restaurants, and joyful obsession with all things fashion. But Milan is more than a pretty face. Locals tell us you'll find many of Italy's most fascinating places to visit here. Check out the incredibly beautiful and ornate Duomo Cathedral, which took almost 6 centuries to build, or hop into Santa Maria delle Grazie to gaze upon Da Vinci's Last Supper painting. Milan is a fantastic place to explore. Number 7. Cinque Terre. 5 quaint fishing villages awash with colors of blue, yellow and pink all hug cliff sides that slope down to the sea. These villages and the surrounding green hills make up the Cinque Terre National Park, one of Italy's popular tourist destinations. Located in Italy's northwestern coastal region of Liguria, the villages of Cinque Terre feature some of the country's most beautiful landscapes that include wine terraces dating back to hundreds of years. Number 6. Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean. Sicily lies just across from the southern tip of Italy, on the narrow Strait of Messina. Due to its location, it has long acted as a crossroads, so is very distinct from the rest of the country in terms of its history, culture, and cuisine. From the sea to the mountains and countryside, from the volcanoes to the fishing villages, there are really many reasons why to visit Sicily. As Frederick II, King of Sicily, once said, "I don't envy God's paradise, because I'm well satisfied to live in Sicily." Number 5. Amalfi Coast. One look at the Amalfi Coast and you may believe that you've found heaven on earth. That's the kind of spellbinding effect this stretch of Italian coastline tends to have on the 5 million annual visitors who cross its mesmerizing paths. Located in the Campania region of Italy, this UNESCO World Heritage Site covers 34 miles of majestic terrain. Sky-high coastal cliffs display vibrant vegetation and multicolored towns live side by side with the disarming turquoise waters of the Mediterranean, creating a scene that has the power to stop even the most seasoned of travelers dead in their tracks. Number 4. Pisa is a legendary city and one of the most famous in this region of Italy. Tourists often stop at Pisa en route to Florence, but it is a fantastic city to stay in and offers a great deal more sights than just its legendary Leaning Tower. Located on the western coast of Italy, Pisa is only 20 minutes from the Ligurian Sea and has great transport links to Florence, Livorno and La Spezia. With a population of just 91,000, it is one of the smaller cities in the Tuscany region of Italy, but has historically been one of the most important and influential. Number 3. Venice. The romantic city of Venice is located in the Veneto region of Italy, one of the northernmost states. This ancient and historically important city was originally built on 100 small islands in the Adriatic Sea. Instead of roads, Venice relies on a series of waterways and canals. Venice is always at its busiest and most vibrant in the summer, between the beginning of June and the end of July, but if you're looking to party during the Venice Carnival, make sure you're around towards the end of February and beginning of March. This is the time of year when music, costumes and a celebration of the arts takes over. Number 2. Florence is the capital of the famous Italian region of Tuscany. It is one of the most visited cities in Italy, attracting approximately 10 million tourists every year. Renaissance, Florence's museums, palaces, and churches house some of the greatest artistic treasures in the world. Additionally, Florence is known as the home of the wealthy and powerful Medici dynasty that produced several kings and popes, impacting the entire world in a number of ways culturally, economically and politically. Number 1. Formerly the capital of the Roman Empire, Rome today is the government seat and capital city of Italy, a standard stop on many European vacation itineraries. Rome is not to be missed. The city is a globally renowned cultural and historical powerhouse best known for housing ancient Roman structures and the Vatican City. Rome has endured for more than 2,500 years as an important center for culture, power and religion. From ancient romantic plazas to stunning cathedrals and Renaissance architecture, there is so much to see and do in Rome, that it could take months or even years to see it all.